Good morning, you tune in to Market Cafe. I'm Ankita Saxena, and the next half an hour I'll take you through all of that transpired on the global front, the geopolitics, the markets, and all the cues you need to watch out for before the start of Dalal Street. So without further ado, let's get going with what's really dominated the Wall Street yesterday. Well, it is the geopolitical tensions that continue to large loom. In fact, after those statements coming in from Donald Trump that he will avenge the deaths of three service members from Iran, the crude prices shot up, and on account of that we do see US markets also falling yesterday's trading session. In fact, even the US Treasury yield is sitting higher. The 10-year Treasury note rose almost more than 5 basis points to 4.5%. The 2-year Treasury yield, which is more closely tracks the short-term Federal Reserve interest rate policy, that gained more than 3 bips to 4.2%. So that's how really the Treasury yield is moving. So bond yield is something that you need to watch out for, because rising bond yields also weigh heavy on the markets. And if you look at the US markets, then the Dow Jones Industrial Average was trading with cuts of 300 odd points, almost more than 0.5% downtick coming in. S&P 500 was down 0.1%, and Nasdaq also was absolutely flat, though in the red, traded with cuts of just 12 odd points. So flat moves coming in as far as Nasdaq is concerned. Now remember, we are in the thick of earnings season, but at this point really investors are waiting and watching out for how the geopolitics is moving, because the earnings are really cushioning the market, but the up move will only come in once really there is some bit of a comfort coming in as far as the oil prices are concerned and the bond yields start cooling off. But as of now, markets are awaiting Alphabet, Tesla, and Intel to report their quarter numbers this week, and that is what we're penciling in as far as the big earnings are concerned on the Wall Street. But let's talk about the oil prices also. Well, we did see oil prices shot up yesterday, but as of now, as we speak, they have managed to cool off from this day's high. 0.5% downtick is what we're seeing on Brent. As of now, it is sitting at $82.72 a barrel. And WTI is also seeing a downtick of 0.3%, sitting at $82.98 per barrel. And let's take a look at the Asian handover and how that looks like as well. Well, Asian markets look mixed right now. Only Nikkei is trading in the green with gains of 1.8% right now. Only Nikkei is the one that is really trading in the green. The rest of the Asian markets in the red. Shanghai is trading down 0.3%. Hang Seng is flip-flopping between the red and the green. It's trading absolutely flat. S&P ASX 200 is also trading down with cuts of 0.3%, and the implied start to Nifty is showing a gap down start of 113 odd points. So that's what we're penciling in as far as the Nifty is also concerned.